Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil. So let's see where market can move and how we can plan for tomorrow. We are going to start on weekly chart, then we are going to be end up on 50-minute time frame. So let's start on weekly chart on here. We are going to discuss on Alibaba stock first. Last week we discussed on here above 104 level market will going to be a positive market and it will going to be a buying market above this range. And for this we discussed market need to be hold 1 to 2 weeks above this range, then after breakout it will going to be positive market, and this positive market can convert to the buying market also. And we discussed also in between this range market is going to be volatile market, confusing market. And this week you can see almost market make red candle here, one more red candle we can see on here, and this means it's one more confusing stage. And no doubt this week market was completely volatile weeks, so chances are very high after volatile you are going to get trending market. So let's discuss on here which side probability are saying market can become move. Right now the things on become on here completely market trading on range. So remember one point, mostly market will going to follow his previous trend. So a previous trend, if we go and see, it was completely on a downtrend. After downtrend, the things on here downtrend, it is holding on here. After holding, the moment it will be break down this level, which is 86, the moment it will be 86 cross, it will going to be sharp selling in the market. And this sharp selling seller will going to be confirmed. This is the week, all of this week below they will going to be close the candle on weekly chart, so that seller will going to be on upper hand. Right now there is no any buying scenario in the market. This is the week that at least buyer can be hope for buying side, but instead of buying, it is one more red candle we saw on a weekly chart. So we'll be looking for selling. And remember market, if this range will going to be breakout or breakdown, chances are very high it will going to be a very big momentum in the market. And market almost we didn't get any directional momentum from a couple of weeks. So if this breakdown happen, we are going to get a very good selling market we can see in future. So we discussed on weekly chart market is negative, but remember based on weekly chart 86 is going to be important level. 86 breakdown, it can become selling pressure. But right now from 86 from current level, no doubt it's a little far away from the market. So we're going to be covered on the 50-minute time frame how exactly we can plan a plan of action should be happen for tomorrow. So let's check the daily chart to understand exactly which market can become momentum. Last week we discussed on here market make a breakout. After breakout, definitely this level need to be retest. After retest, we discussed clearly if buyer are confident in this level, that definitely market will going to be slowly starting will going to be on upper side. And we discussed if buyer are not confident from this level, definitely candle start to closing below this range. And you can see from the last 2 days buyer doesn't have any confidence to buying, continuously market become volatile on this range. And one important point, you can see continuously 5 to 6 day market completely on a selling pressure. So as we learned from our previous video, market will not going to move in one direction. It's kind of like market is moving one direction. Chances are very high it can become pullback from this level. And why pullback could be happen? Because it's a one direction. Seller can become a seller can be book their profit. So after book the profit, it can become sharp pullback from this level. And one important point, market right now trading on a buyer range. So this could be another reason, sufficient reason that market can become pullback from this level. But this pullback doesn't have any sense to buying from this level, because we can see that after a retest this level, market should have to be pullback, but it doesn't get any pullback. Instead of getting pullback, is coming down in selling side. So we'll be wait and watch. So which side market is doing after the price action. Right now you can see sharp buying market after retest this level, almost breakdown, then definitely we are expecting for the pullback. After pullback, the moment it will be break down this low one more time, which is exactly 9091 level. The moment it will be break down aggressive quantity, we can be planned for short this short from this place. Then we don't have to be wait 85 86 as we discussed on weekly chart. So definitely we can get earlier momentum from this level, but don't plan for selling in one direction. Chances are very it can become immediately reversal and you got a SL. So it's always better you're going to be wait and watch which side market is trading. So let's take the 50-minute time frame to understand exactly how we can plan for tomorrow. On a 50-minute time frame, as we saw from last 2 to 3 day market completely volatile, completely you can see gap up opening, selling, gap down, upside, completely volatile, gap down, buying, again selling. So these are the things continuously was happening. So directional momentum, we didn't get anything on here. So let's plan, let's see how we can plan for tomorrow. If market open above 92, remember the point very carefully. If market above open 92, above opening first 5 to 50, either first 50-minute candle or even 5-minute green candle, if any 5 to 50-minute green candle sustain above this range, chances are very we can see a trending market from this level, because you can see this level. Whenever market touch this level, it's a very big red candle, a green candle. After touch this level, it's a sharp buying. Even this level, buyer also try to uh, pull back from this level. So this kind of scenario, we anticipate that this is the level for the buying level. So if market open from this level, and this is the place almost the buyer 2 times try to break out from this level. So if market going to open tomorrow above 92, first 5 to 10 minutes green candle sustain, we are going to be buy on here, and $1 going to be stop loss, and 1 is going to be a target, and we can get very good buying side momentum for tomorrow. But do not hold this trade, that because that exactly what we discussed on weekly chart. After sharp selling, it will going to be first pullback. So first pullback, do not plan or for aggressive quantity. Still market can become negative from this level, any of this place. So for tomorrow, we will be looking for buying above 92. First candle, we will be looking for buying. If anything gap down opening, suppose 80, 88, 89, after gap down opening, we just have to be wait, because market can become volatile on here. It will be directly upside rally. After fill the gap, first 50-minute red candle, we can be planned for selling, because short covering can be built up continuously. Market is selling. If gap down, it will be obvious scenario, so seller can book the profit. So market can become unusual momentum, sharp recover, then 50 after closing price, hitting the closing price, negative candle 15-minute, we can be selling again. So I hope you understand all of these points, friends. So let's check the stock, which stock we can plan to take a trade for tomorrow. First stock will going to be a Berkshire Hathaway. It's also for selling. You can see the momentum last day from this support level, market make one green candle on here. Immediately on Friday, very big selling happening on here. That means negativity are there to 277. As soon as we break 277, immediately we will be looking for selling. But remember, if anything 279, 280 above this range, we will be ignore this trade. After opening flat, which is like 278, anything, we will be looking for selling immediately. $2 going to be stop loss, 1 is going to be our target. This is our first target. Second stock will going to be a Procter and Gamble company. It's also for selling, almost similar chart pattern, similar like Berkshire Hathaway. Previous support almost break. After support, after a breakout support, you can see the price action. After breakout of support, market retest this level. After retest is again on the selling pressure. Tomorrow we can see this stock below 137. After opening flat 137, immediately we will looking for selling. Next supports look like 132. So maybe not, if suppose market do not move tomorrow, we'll be put this stock on our watch list. Suppose after 1 to 2 days after spending this level, the moment it will be breakdown, it will be a sharp fast momentum till 132.31. I hope you understand all of this point, friends. If you understand, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you, and thank you very much.